Dad, I got one!
We got enough for today.
Mom, can we eat some?
Of course, my dear. How many do you want, Jaden?
I want 2, Mom. I want 1, Mom. They are so delicious.
Oh, it is really hot today. Thank you, dear, for helping me.
Mom, Dad, can we help you too?
We need to buy bread for dinner.
It smells delicious already!
Can we get some pastries?
Sleep well, children. You have school tomorrow.
You're working so hard. I really appreciate you.
I have to. I want to take good care of our family.
Have a nice day at school, children.
The breakfast is delicious, dear. I have to sell all the mangoes today at the village store. I have enough money for this month.
And the hardworking family lived happily, finding joy in every simple day. Together, with love and effort, they turned small moments into a beautiful life.